Open your mouth.
Dapat yung pang-last.
What's the taste?
What is the taste then?
Sweet.
Okay.
Wait.
Wala ko.
Na-curious na sila.
Okay. And this one. Another one. Okay. Are you ready? Okay.
Teka muna din.
Okay. This one naman.
Little bit only. Little bit. Okay, go. Okay, go. Okay, what's the taste of that? Sour. Okay.
Ate ni, wag na mag-alala.
Just taste, Alexa. Just taste.
Just taste.
Okay, then tell us the taste.
Tell me. Okay.
Okay, bite.
Bite.
Okay. And then taste it. Do not eat. Just taste it.
Enough na.
Do not eat. Okay. What's the taste?
Bitter. Can you guess what's that?
You know what's that kind of food? No.
Do you know?
It's bitter, right?
Api, suga sa dito ng pantay.
Okay.
I don't know what's the name.
Okay. Okay, another kind of food.
Open your mouth.
Eat na. It's edible.
Okay, tell me the taste, Eddie. Chocolate. So the taste. Sweet, salty, spicy.
Sweet. Okay. No,
Tell me first. Sweet, sour, salty,
and
bitter.
and
Okay.
another one.
Bitter nga.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Now,
Identify this one.
identify
the taste.
what taste is this?
Bite para maano.
Bite.
But okay, do not eat. Okay. Okay, just spit a little bit. Just spit there. Yes. Okay. What's the taste?
Bitter. So yucky. Okay, next. This one. Open your mouth.
Wow.
Oh, you can eat now.
Okay, can eat now. What's that?
Sweet.
What is Snow?
What are the tastes? We have sweet, spicy, bitter, sour.
Okay.
Identify.
What's the taste?
Not that.
I will give you, okay?
Taste.
Just taste. Do not eat.
Do not eat, okay? Taste only.
Open your mouth.
Wait, mommy.
Okay.
You can do not eat. You can
Sit down.
That's bitter gourd.
Okay.
Bitter gourd.
What's the taste?
What's the taste? Sweet, sour, salty,
Spicy.
salty. Next, this one.
Ayan.
Now, one more. Open your mouth. Okay.
Mom, you're supposed to eat again.
Just eat. You can eat that one.
Mom,
Yes,
what's
of course.
the taste?
Later,
What's the
baby.
taste?
Chocolate.
What's
Not
the
taste. Is it spicy?
No.
What?
Sweet, sour,
Sweet.
Open.
Taste it.
Okay.
Bite.
Bite. Wow. What is it?
What's the taste? Gusto niya.
Sweet.
Sour,
Salty.
Sweet.
bitter,
Sweet.
sour, bitter, what?
Sweet. Yes or no?
Is it sweet? Yes or no?
No.
Is it sour? Yes or no?
May
Sour.
Is it sour? Yes or no?
One more.
Another one.
Hindi na siya.
This one. Okay. Tell us first. Sweet, sour. What is that one? Sweet or sour or bitter? What is that?
Okay.
Oh, next.
Okay, next. Open. More.
You can eat. What's that?
Wow. Aroy.
Spicy? Sweet or bitter?
What's the taste?
What's the taste?
Sweet. Yes.
Okay. Right. Open your mouth.
Bite.
Okay. Now tell me the taste, Yanni. What's the taste? Sweet. Matamis kasi ito. Okay.
Ito.
One more. Pareho man yan. Sige lang. Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Say, Open. More.
Eat, you can eat.
Okay.
What's the taste?
Is it spicy?
Sweet.
Okay, tell us the taste.
Oh.
Don't look, don't look, okay? Ready? Open your bite.
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 Ay, sayang ya.
Ayun yan.
What's the taste? What's the taste?
Is it sweet? Is it sweet?
Sour, salty, bitter.
You can spit if you don't want it.
No, no.
I don't know.
Huh? Sweet?
It's sweet?
Is it sweet?
Not sweet daw. Sweet.
Sweet pala yan.
Sweet? Is it sweet?
Spicy.
Is it sour? No. Is it bitter? No. Is it salty? No.
Sweet.
Oh, sweet. Okay. It's sweet. Next.
Next. Okay, this one. Another one. Another one. Open. Sige, bye.
Bite.
One more.
A little bit.
Bye. Tell us the taste.
What is that?
Sour.
What's that? What's that?
Lime.
No, try. One more.
Yes.
Oh, what's that? Oh, what's the smell?
Underarms.
What's that? You know? Kani. Try.
Your friend's underarm.
Underarm chicken KJ. Oh, what is that?
Jelly.
One more guess. Ay, naku, pagkamang ko ni ano. Itong silalim. What smell?
Spray.
Yeah, it's a spray. What kind of spray? I use spray.
Lemon.
Habol pa mo nga.
Picture.
One, two. First time we see Nagarahawi.
Punta ng buet.
Ikaw may ban bukas? May ban bukas?
So if you can see anything, what you do? What else?
Sarang ka, ang galang.